Okay, we can do that.
Wait, right now.
Oh, you don't want me to do it? Oh, okay, go ahead. Where's it? I was just about to leave because the day's over. Good morning. I'm sorry I haven't filmed today. I have new cooks that are working, so it's completely a different environment. My mind is more on work and less on filming, even though it isn't really too much on filming some days anyways. But good morning. I apologize, and I was about ready to leave, like I said, and I could see a faint note under here, and that is from a worker that helped us out last week, and she thinks she's funny. I don't understand why so many people leave me notes with phallic symbols or insulting phrases, or I don't know. People are just treat me so well. I know, it's just a joke. It's actually kind of endearing. But I'm getting out of here. I'm gonna go home. It's been a long busy, it actually hasn't been super busy, but a long day mentally. So we had stuff with Colorado we were stressing about, all that stuff. Oh, so excited that it's all figured out. Colorado is, for those of you that don't know, our other restaurant, which we open up here in 2 weeks in Colorado. And it's open for like 6 months, and we close it down. We have to transfer workers back and forth, and Zoe's gonna go work this year, and it's a lot of stress. You'll see. I'm in Colorado the whole month of July for those of you guys that are new. So yeah, all right, let's go home.
You haven't filmed today, have you? I knew it.
I filmed one thing as I was leaving because I found an. Other than that, yeah, I haven't filmed yet today. So I'm home. Hi.
Hi. I'm hungry.
I know. I'm gonna shower
So we can eat.
Yeah, we can't shower eat till I shower. This Oreo stack never gets lower, and when it does, yeah, and when it finally does get lower, new Oreos come out. So then we have to buy them to review them. They should never get rid of these. These are so good.
Those are the best Oreos ever.
These
are the
are
birthday cake kind.
Well, you've never had the Rice Krispie Treat Oreos. Those ones are good.
You said these are really good.
These are really good.
It wasn't too crazy.
She didn't really like these. These ones are our least favorite for sure. These ones are not that good. Well, just go watch the reviews. But in case that is really hot. In case you guys are curious, I'll tell you this. My favorite, my second favorite, my third favorite. Now, if you're curious about exactly why, go watch the reviews. These are amazing though. These are so good.
We're like
I haven't
onto these for dear
I
life.
stopped eating these honestly because these are Katie's favorites. So
thank you. Are they your favorites too?
yes, I love those. Even more so that I'm a good boyfriend. But yeah, those are her favorite. And these ones are just so weird. They're need to try them, but they're weird. Dinner: bowl of soup, corn, chips. With the they're disgusting. Zoe didn't like them either.
They're not worth it.
Zoe thought they were gross as well.
Extremely artificial.
They smell interesting. They smell just like cherry cola.
Yeah, I'm all for junk food, but like I gotta draw a line somewhere.
These ones taste. Don't you agree? These ones taste better than you thought.
Yes.
She doesn't like pina colada, and she actually was like, "Oh, those are pretty good."
Yeah.
So. All right, I think we're ready. She's having leftover Mexican Cafe Rio, and like I said, soup, and more soup. This is me walking our dessert to the kitchen because this is all I have to film. Oh wait, it's dark. You can't see now. 1 second, the light will be on momentarily. There's a candle. You can see a candle. Okay, there, lights are on. I'm sorry, I feel like a horrible vlogger person. But
my back will crack.
Your back will crack? Okay, we can do that.
Wait, right now.
Oh, you don't want me to do it? Oh, okay, go ahead. Where's it?
It should pop right in here.
Oh.
Did you hear that?
Yeah, I cracked like 4 times. I wish I could do that.
Wait. Get closer. I don't know if it's going to do it again. Maybe not. Oh, it did. You're welcome.
Yeah, I can't do that. She can barely crack my back when she's standing on top of it. That was exciting. And this is the end of another one of our super entertaining videos for the day. We need to do our garbage. Because that didn't go ahead. This is all water bottles. Like 95% water bottles. Because she drinks a lot of water. Like a ton of water at night. Okay, but anyways, good night. Thank you for watching. See you guys tomorrow. You are awesome. And sorry today was boring. And she's putting in an earring that keeps falling out. But yeah, good night. Oh, you're funny.
Yeah, whatever. Don't pity laugh me.
Sorry.